postpartum recovery isn't something you should have to figure out between late night Google searches and back-to-back calendar reminders. If you're a career-driven first-time mom, you deserve clear guidance that fits into your busy life. That's why I'm launching a brand new series here on my channel, the Postpartum Recovery Roadmap. In this 12-part series, I'll walk you week by week through what's normal, what's not, and the realistic steps you can take to feel more in control during your first 12 weeks after birth. Each video is focused on one postpartum week from week 1 to week 12, so you'll always know what to look for next. We'll cover your physical healing, the emotional ups and downs, and how your baby's changes affect you. Most importantly, everything is laid out in a clear, structured way so you can spend less time second-guessing and more time to actually recovering and enjoying life with your newborn. As a professional woman, you're used to structure, deadlines, and having a plan. But postpartum doesn't come with an HR handbook or a project roadmap. That's where this series comes in, giving you the step-by-step support you need so you can feel capable, prepared, and not blindsided by each new week. Think of this series as your postpartum playbook. Whether you're pregnant and planning ahead, or you've already brought your baby home, you'll have a clear guide that helps you balance healing, emotions, and the realities of adjusting to mom life without losing yourself in the process. So here's what to do. Subscribe and turn on the bell because I'll be dropping multiple videos each week. You won't want to miss the one that matches where you are right now. And if you want a head start, grab access to my free private resource hub for career moms. Inside, you'll find the ultimate week 1 postpartum recovery guide, plus other tools designed specifically for working moms like you. Postpartum recovery doesn't have to derail your life or your confidence. With the right guidance, you can feel strong, clear, and capable. I'm Cherry, and I am more than thrilled to see you in week 1 of the 12-week series of the Postpartum Recovery Roadmap. I will see you in the next one.